Hey everyone, I'm Dylan, and today I'd like to take a moment to chat about mocking up merchandise to promote your brand or small business. Merchandise can be a great way to promote awareness for your business and build a proud, visible community. Think about it. An eye-catching sticker on your laptop can make people aware of you for the first time. Or your band's t-shirt can signal like-mindedness and act as a kind of gravitational force for a community to start forming. I look at merchandise as somewhere between a billboard and a testimonial. Not only is somebody publicly displaying your brand's name or logo, there's also a tacit understanding that the person rocking your merch supports your business, which implies a positive experience. Finally, done right, selling merchandise could be a great additional revenue stream for your business. Now, merchandise could be any physical object you can print on. Things like clothing items, stickers, and stationery are very common examples, but it will obviously depend on the industry you're in. Beer coasters are great for bars, for example, but less than ideal for a yoga studio who might opt instead for branded yoga mats. But cost is a big factor, and this has to be considered before rushing ahead. GoDaddy Studio lets you export logos and designs in PDF or PNG format, so you can send them straight to your local print shop. But today I want to focus on creating a mock-up as a preview of the product, as well as a form of market research before committing to the cost of it. With Studio, you can realistically apply your brand's logo to just about any object. Between our graphics library and the Unsplash photo library, you can find images of just about any merch item you have in mind. Just search for it. Let's use this t-shirt as an obvious example. Adding your saved logo or design on top of this image starts to give you the right idea, but the trick to making it look realistic is to use the blend tool, which will blend the image into the object so you can still see the texture and folds of the object. It just looks way more realistic. Now you can play around with different color combinations and positions until you're happy with the results. You'll now have a sense of what your merch will look like in the real world and can even start getting a sense of the demand for it. Try posting them on your website or social platforms and engage your audience for feedback, like getting ready to print some new tees. Which colors or designs do you like best? Or would you get your morning coffee in one of these awesome mugs we're about to release? If you hear crickets in response, maybe reconsider the plan. But you're more likely to get some positive feedback that will help you make an informed decision about what merchandise to bring to life with your precious marketing dollars. If this is something you've tried out for your brand, we'd love to hear about it in the comments. Try it out for yourself right now by downloading the free app. All the links you need are in the description below. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to keep learning about all the incredible things GoDaddy Studio can do for your small business. I'll see you next time.